This is the Amazon Fire TV Cube. And Amazon says it's not just a streaming box, it's basically the brain of your entire living room. You talk, and your TV, soundbar, lights, and apps just obey. Sounds futuristic, right? But after living with this thing for a week, I discovered something surprising. It's incredibly powerful and occasionally a little too ambitious for its own good. Amazon Fire TV Cube 4 Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Amazon Fire TV Cube 3, often considered the latest full redesign, is Amazon's flagship streaming device, sitting above the Fire TV Stick lineup. Released in late 2022 and still leading Amazon's streaming ecosystem today, it's designed for people who want hands-free Alexa control plus premium streaming performance. Unlike a typical streaming stick, this combines a media streamer, smart home hub, and Alexa speaker into one compact cube. The big selling point? You can control your TV, apps, and even cable boxes using just your voice, no remote required. At around $140, it's competing directly with devices like Apple TV 4K and NVIDIA Shield, so expectations are high. Amazon Fire TV Cube 4 Performance. Honestly, this is one of the fastest streaming devices I've used. Apps launch almost instantly, menus glide smoothly, and jumping between Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube feels effortless. According to testing from outlets like CNET and The Verge, the upgraded octa-core processor delivers noticeably faster navigation compared to Fire TV sticks, and you can feel it immediately. Streaming performance is rock solid. I watched everything from Dolby Vision movies to live sports streams, and buffering basically never happened. 4K HDR playback looks sharp and stable, especially on high-bandwidth Wi-Fi 6 connections. But here's the interesting part. Voice control actually works surprisingly well. Saying, "Alexa, play The Boys," launches the show without touching anything. Turning on the TV, adjusting volume, switching inputs, all seamless. That said, it's not flawless. Sometimes Alexa misinterprets commands, especially with complex requests, which echoes what reviewers noted. The Cube occasionally feels overwhelmed trying to manage everything at once. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that make the Fire TV Cube different. First is hands-free Alexa control. Built-in microphones mean you don't need the remote. You can literally walk into the room and say, "Alexa, turn on the TV." It's a game changer when your hands are full or the remote disappears into couch limbo. Second is HDMI control and universal integration. The Cube can control TVs, soundbars, AV receivers, and even cable boxes. That means fewer remotes and a simpler setup, especially helpful if your entertainment system feels complicated. Third is Wi-Fi 6E support. This matters more than it sounds. Faster wireless connectivity means smoother 4K streaming and fewer dropouts in busy households packed with devices. The idea here isn't just streaming, it's turning your TV into a smart home hub. Design and build. Aesthetically, Amazon kept things minimal but functional. The Cube is exactly what the name suggests, a small, matte black cube with subtle Alexa light bars across the top. It blends easily into most setups without screaming for attention. It feels solid and well-built, though definitely more like smart home hardware than luxury tech. Around the back, you get Ethernet, HDMI IR extender support, USB-A, and power, which is great for reliability in wired connections. One practical detail, because it has microphones, placement matters. Hide it behind the TV and voice detection suffers. Leave it exposed and it works best. Pros: extremely fast and responsive performance. Excellent 4K HDR and Dolby Atmos support. Replaces multiple remotes and simplifies setups. Cons: Alexa sometimes misinterprets complex commands. Interface still heavily promotes Amazon content. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? If you're deep into the Amazon ecosystem or love smart home automation, the Fire TV Cube is honestly one of the most convenient streaming devices you can buy.
The speed alone makes cheaper streaming sticks feel sluggish, and hands-free control quickly becomes something you don't want to live without. But if you just want simple streaming and don't care about Alexa, something like a Roku or Fire TV stick might give you better value. And if you're an Apple household, Apple TV 4K still offers a cleaner, more neutral interface.